I do so like
green eggs and spam.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Some.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I am.
Oh, Susan. Oh, if it wasn't for your mommy, we could have read the whole book. We could start the beginning and end in the middle, like we do when we catch the end of a movie. Yes. Why do I like them? Wait, that's not how it starts. I do not. This book belongs to nobody.
Clean eggs on ham.
There,
By Dr. Seuss.
I'm Sam. No, you aren't.
You are? That Sam I am.
That's Sam I am.
I do not like.
Not Sam I am.
Do you like?
Green eggs and ham.